how to find out the shape of molecule, shape and hybridization of any molecule. First, let us try to understand the formula. The formula is valence electrons of all the atoms in a molecule divided by 8 plus remainder divided by 2. This will give us bond pairs and this will give us lone pair of electrons, and total will give us hybridization. Now let us apply this formula in the molecule one by one. BeCl2. For beryllium, atomic number is 4, so the valence electrons will be 2. Chlorine, 7 valence electrons, 7 2s are 14, so it will be 14, 15, 16 upon 8. So here it is completely divisible. It means only bond pairs are there, lone pair is not here in this molecule. So the answer will be 2. It means if it is 2, it means hybridization will be sp, and shape of the molecule will be linear. Means this is the shape. This is beryllium, 2 sp hybrid orbitals of beryllium and 1 chlorine, this p orbital of chlorine, and similarly here also this is, or you can just simply write this structure BeCl and Cl, 180 degree bond angle. Now another formula is BH3. Now let us apply this formula in this case. Here we have to assume that hydrogen is a halogen. So boron, atomic number 5, so valence electrons will be 3 for boron, and for hydrogen 7 3s are 21. It is equal to 24. Let us divide it by 8. It will be 8 3s are 24. If it is 3, it means, or it is completely divisible, it means it contains only bond pair of electrons, and hybridization will be sp2, and shape of the molecule will be trigonal planar. Means this will be the shape. This is boron, chlorine, chlorine and chlorine with bond angle 120 degree. Now another molecule CH4. Here carbon, atomic number is 6, so the valence electron will be 4. Hydrogen acting as halogen, so 7 4s are 28. It is 32 divided by 8. It will be 8 4s are 32. So answer is sp3. It means the shape of the molecule will be tetrahedral. This is the shape of the molecule with bond angle 109 degree 28 minutes. HCH bond angle. Next is for the formation of PCl5. Phosphorus valence electrons will be 5. Chlorine, 5 chlorine atoms are there, so it will be 7 5s are 35. 40 divided by 8, answer will be 5. So hybridization will be sp3d, and the shape of the molecule will be trigonal planar. Means this is phosphorus and 3 chlorine atoms at the equatorial position, and 2 bonds will be at axial position, one above and one below the plane. These two bonds will be longer than these bonds, because to avoid the repulsion between this bond pair and this bond pair. So these are longer than equatorial bonds, and the bond angle will be 120 degree and another will be 90 degree. So there will be two sets of bond angle. Bond angle between axial and equatorial will be 90, and bond angle in among all the equatorial bond chlorine and phosphorus chlorine bonds, it will be 120 degree. Now another molecule is SF6. Sulfur valence electron 6, fluorine 6 7s are 42, so it is 48 divided by 8, answer is 6. So the hybridization will be sp3d2, and the shape of the molecule will be octahedral, means one sulfur in the center and 4 at the corner. This is in one plane, all 4 atoms, and one above the plane and one below the plane. So this is the shape of the molecules which don't have lone pair of electron, only bond pair of electrons are there in this.